Hello, I'm going to talk about the listening number one about the topic lack of sleep problems today's society and how these problems affect my life or life of those around me. Okay, well, I'm not an expert about sleep, so I will search some information in the net about this interesting topic. Well, I found that sleep has important functions for our mind and body. However, there are people for whom bedtime is far from being a pleasant, refreshing experience. It becomes a daily struggle with insomnia and other sleep problems. Millions of people cannot enjoy a full day alert and productive because they couldn't sleep last night. So some specialists say that sleep is a means for modulation of mood states, serve to regain energy store, stored in the memory that we learn during the day, and this is fundamental to the development of a person's life. One of the most common sleep disorders is insomnia. It can be caused by a variety of factors that include stress, excessive alcohol or caffeine, and various psychological disorders. Insomnia can be really frustrating problem, and often the efforts that people make to sleep and only aggravate the situation. It is believed that sleep deprivation insomnia creates change in metabolism and the endocrine system, and that this change may advance the memory related disorders such as Alzheimer's disease. Also, other studies say lack of people can cause nervous system disorders and bring headaches, tiredness, and irritability. And if sleep problems are associated with depression or anxiety, can be difficult or for concentration and memory. Sleep affects the body response to disease, and it has higher incidence in high blood pressure, heart disease, and diabetes. As well exists fatal familial insomnia and incurable disease genes transferred in destroyed brain cells and cause difficulty sleeping, hallucinations, and increases heart rates. Actually, in the society, many jobs require employees to be fully alert while on duty. So, with the loss of sleep, people cannot rest and think irrationally, and exhibit signs of depression. The problem of sleep deprivation is heightened as a result of change in technology and the world of work that make many people work late into the night or on routine schedules. Our biological characteristic, the product of hundreds of thousands of years of evolution, have programmed us to need between 9 and 10 hours of sleep daily. In our era of technological change are occurring at a rate much faster than our biology, so we end up doing to our body demands is not prepared to take. So some recommendation for a good sleep can be establish a sleep schedule and get used to this. The body adopts a biological rhythm to it. Do not exercise uh, at night because the person is activated to doing that the desire to sleep disappears. Avoid use of electronic devices, for example TV, computer, laptop, tablet, smartphone, as also activate the person. Avoid coffee and soft drinks contain caffeine. Sleeping in the fetal position that allow greater relaxation of the body. Well, personally, I haven't a sleep disorder, but last week I was without sleep good during 4 days due to midterms, readings, works, and in 4 days I only sleep 8 hours, 2 hours per day, and the experience was unpleasant. I couldn't pay attention in class. My speech wasn't fluent. I can organize and retain the information. All time I was tired, irritable, with eye circles, and I got flu. I guess my immune system was very weak. Really, I don't know like I went to class at university. But I acknowledge that my sleep habit is gone because I get up at 1 in the morning and I sleep again at 4 in the morning, but I'm still in time to get my normal habit 8 hours sleep properly.